Hi everyone. So a quick overview of the multiple users feature that I wanted to share with you. There may be instances at your organizations where you want to give access to other individuals at the organization outside of the primary account that you have, particularly when you have other staff that you don't want to have access to the recipes, which is really the core of your Wholesum account. So this might be a seasonal staff or an instructor guide counselor that might want to access Wholesum to help create recipes, help create meal plans, but you don't want them to be able to delete or edit existing ones. Those sorts of things, you want to have limited access so that the whole system can stay organized and intact. And I wanted to give you a quick overview of how that works. So let me share my screen quickly, and I'm going to jump over to the settings page. And what you'll find down at the bottom is this multiple users account. And from here, you can click manage. And what you can see here is I've added an additional user who has access to this account. And it allows me to define what that user can do. So for example, maybe I spent a lot of time creating and dialing in my recipes. We feel really good about where they're at, and I don't want any of our other staff to edit, delete, or create new recipes. And similarly, I don't want them to add new details about the ingredients, where it's purchased, those sorts of things. We just want them to be able to create and edit meal plans and menus, not delete existing ones. And now I can click save. And so what that'll allow me to do is to create new users who have limited access to the Wholesum account. You can add multiple users. You can remove these users if they're not being used during the part of the season and re-add them later when you need them. The additional users do cost an additional $10 per user per month when they are activated. But they can be deactivated at any time. And as always, you can share these logins with multiple individuals at your organization who can use them at the same time. This is really a means to add users with limited access to maintain the integrity of your recipes and meal plans along the way. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and